Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at
antibiotics, painkillers and antivirals. So, new drugs to treat people are constantly being developed. Right, this is necessary because new diseases are constantly emerging and old ones become resistant to currently used drugs because of selection pressure caused by the use of those drugs. So there are a range of different types of medicines. So we can go and have analgesics or antimalarial drugs, antibiotics, antiseptics, mood stabilizers, the list goes on. So antibiotics are substances that slow down or stop the growth of bacteria. They are commonly prescribed medicines, and examples include penicillin or amoxicillin. They can be taken to cure the disease by killing the pathogen, but only cure bacterial diseases, not viral ones. So antibiotics damage the bacterial cells, but do not damage the host cells. So they have the ability to cure bacterial diseases that would have previously killed many people. So one antibiotic may only work against one type of bacteria or a few types. Penicillin is a group of antibiotics derived originally from common moulds known as Penicillium moulds. So Penicillin 5, for instance, is an antibiotic in the penicillin group. It fights bacteria in your body. Penicillin 5 is used to treat a number of different infections, such as ear infections. Penicillium mold naturally produces the antibiotic. So scientists learned over a number of years that penicillin mold, if you go and put it into deep fermentation pans and add sugar to it, will go and produce the penicillin. There are a few side effects. So the most common reactions to oral penicillin are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Right, so hypersensitivity might be reported in some people where it causes skin eruptions or dermatitis. Painkillers are chemicals that relieve symptoms but do not kill the pathogens. So common examples are things like paracetamol and aspirin. So as the symptoms are treated, your immune system still needs to combat the pathogen. So although antibiotics will help you clear the infection, they rarely provide you with any pain relief. So therefore, you might need to be taking painkillers at the same time as antibiotics. Aspirin, also known as salicylic acid, is a medication used to relieve pain, fever or inflammation. So specifically inflammatory conditions which aspirin is used for to treat things like pericarditis and rheumatic fever. So aspirin is used to reduce fever, like we've just said. It can be used for other things such as toothache, common cold, headaches. It works because it is an anti-inflammatory drug. So why do not, right, so painkillers do not cure infectious diseases. Why? It's because they don't kill the pathogens. So the use of antibiotics has not reduced the death rate to zero. Suggests why? It's because antibiotics only kill bacteria. Some bacteria are resistant. Not all pathogens are bacteria. So things like heart disease and cancer aren't caused by a pathogen. Antivirals are a group of drugs that can be used to treat viral diseases. So viral diseases cannot be cured by antibiotics because they reproduce inside of a host cell. It is very difficult to develop antiviral drugs as most of them find it difficult to enter the host cell.
Thanks for watching.